First, I'd love to introduce Glenn Todd. He's with Ancestry, and he's the sponsor. Ancestry is our sponsor for this version of this series. And so, Glenn, if you could maybe introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Ancestry.
Yeah, absolutely. First and foremost, thank you, Peter, and the Build organization for having us. It's been incredible just getting the opportunity to learn a little bit more about Build, what you guys are doing, the presence and the impact that you've already made, and then also where the future looks like for you guys as well. A little bit about myself. My name is Glenn. I am a talent attraction lead with Ancestry. I've been with the organization 6 years, and it's been a great ride. So I'm here just to kind of give you a quick little tidbit into Ancestry, who we are, what we do, and just some of the overall just phenomenal perks about being involved into just getting involved in our world. So who is Ancestry, right? And a long story short, we're the world's largest genealogy site, but we don't just stop there. We specialize in genomics, family history, historical records, family trees. We're the industry leader. We just recently celebrated our 40th year in business, which is incredible, especially within this landscape of what's going on in the market. So longevity is definitely something that we pride ourselves on. We have two offices domestically. We have our San Francisco office, and we're actually headquartered in Lehi, Utah, which is right around Salt Lake City. So one of the things that I'm most proud of with being with Ancestry is, of course, I've made a ton of hires along the journey, right? But just kind of helping out with our diversity efforts. When I started with Ancestry, diversity was a word that rarely came up. And that was going about 6 years ago. But now, since we're under a new reign, new CEO, the leadership up there, that's something that we made extremely important. That's something that we wanted to absolutely deliver on, right? Not only do we want to be diverse in our product, we want to be diverse in our workforce as well. So my job is always looking for great talent, no matter if it's on any side of the house. It could be product and technology, it could be marketing, it could be finance, it could be sales. We want to bring in great quality talent. And if we can bring diverse talent, that's even more icing on the cake. So I'm excited to learn a little bit more about everybody that's on the panel. I'm excited to learn about everybody that's on the call. I'll put my link in the bio or in the chat. If anybody would love to connect with me, I would absolutely love to connect with you as well. And I'm just happy to be a part of this. So a quick snippet about just some of the things that we're going to be doing within Ancestry, just to kind of show that we take this serious when it comes to diversity and bringing on diverse talent. We have our drive to 45 by 25, right? And a little bit about what that means is, for the most part, we want to make sure, again, we want a more diverse culture, not only in our product, but also within our workforce. So by the year of 2025, our goal is to have more than 45% of directors and above kind of be a demonstration of more diverse workforce, right? We're currently at 41, which is phenomenal. So we only have 4% to 4% to go. And also with our other opportunities within just like engineering and some of the other STEM and other opportunities that we hire for as well, that number's at 36. We have some traction to make there as well. But again, that just lets you know that this is something that we're serious about. This is something that's in our culture. This is something that we've been taking very serious for the last few years. I'm excited to be a part of it. I'm excited about our, not only just the diversity numbers, but being a part of our ERGs as well. So again, I'm here to not only talk about Ancestry, but I'm also here to learn and to just take a step back and listen, all ears to our panel, and hear some of the great information and about allies. And again, thank you, Peter. You've been phenomenal. I'm excited about the opportunity. Thank you. I'm going to sit back, get my popcorn ready, and enjoy a phenomenal conversation.
No, it's been wonderful getting to know you over the last several months there, Glenn, and everyone I've talked to at Ancestry, from the top all the way throughout the organization. The commitment is sincere, and everybody has been great to talk to and work with, and looking for a long-term relationship with Ancestry. Your database is phenomenal too, that you have information on people all around the world, and who we are and where we've come from, and that's an incredible slice of information that more and more people need to know about.
Absolutely. And you can go on our website and begin your journey for free. We do have a free account. I've actually done it myself, and I'm in the Sacramento area. When we initially moved to Sacramento in 2020, I had no idea that we had family out here. And since actually utilizing our product, I've connected with at least 2 to 3 different cousins. And it's beauty because I was listening to what Darwin said about his 2-year-old. I have a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, and the cousins that I was able to identify through our platform. Now my kids have cousins that they can grow up with that I initially did had no idea even existed, years ago. So it's little things about like that. Again, we have a lot of companies out there that have a hard product or a service, whether you're making computers, TVs, video games, no matter what it is. But our product is just self-discovery and finding out more about who you are and where you come from. And it's hard to put a price tag on that.
Absolutely. I was impressed to find out. I did not know it. I have a lot of family in Jackson, Mississippi, and several in Chicago. And there is a movement called the Great Migration of Black people that moved from the South to Chicago. I didn't know that until came to know you and Ancestry. So I need to dink around a little bit more and find out more about myself and my past, so to know more about my future, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. One search away will change your life.
Awesome. Awesome. So thank you so much, Glenn. And this series has been phenomenal. We started out